Hello everyone, Charlie here, and in this presentation I'm going to be going over the market commentary back from October 31st on the EURJPY. Okay, this was the post that I had sent out back at that time, and I gave the indication that this could possibly be a triple bottom on the daily chart for the EURJPY. Okay, so when we say triple bottom, this is something that we cover with SlickTrade members here and teach these price action methods. But if you're not familiar, right here you can see that price came down, it came up to a similar high, came back down, up to a similar high, and back down a third time, okay, right here, all touching right around that same low. And at that point, what we can expect is the potential for a trend reversal, and usually a very nice trend reversal, especially if you're using longer time frames like the daily chart. Now, if price does not go into a trend reversal, then it could go into a continuation, okay? And what I talked about here is that if price breaks below that month one support, which is right here, this magenta line, then we would go short because it could be a continuation of the trend, okay, which we are currently seeing a downtrend, okay? Or at that time we were seeing a downtrend. Now, if it were to break above the daily D1 resistance, then we may see a trend reversal. Now, if this is a true triple bottom, then we would be seeing a reversal, okay? So, I was just sharing my thoughts on the market and what it may do, but what we're expecting is that price will go long. Now, if it breaks that daily resistance, then we can expect that it's going to go up to some previous resistance levels, okay? What were support levels at that time would now be resistance, okay? So I threw in a few, three different take profits here. I said that upon the break of the two levels provided, we may see the following price movement. Now, long would be these three levels: 119.837076, 122.877, 466, or 126.151732. And on the short, we can see 110.964, 110.050. Okay. And that's simply looking at where price kind of hit before on support resistance levels, okay? And if you're not familiar with those, definitely feel free to check out our free education at SlickTrade. You can just go to slicktrade.net and click on the free education here, or you can sign up for the free education here, okay? So, what happened? If we take a look at MetaTrader 4, price had come down. Okay, see, this was the chart that we were looking at. The big spike right there. You can reference that over to right here. Okay, so this chart is zoomed in just a little bit more, but I thought you'd be able to see just a little bit better if I did it that way. Okay, so here's our triple bottom: 1, 2, and 3. Now, price did not break that month support. It broke the daily resistance, which was right here. Okay, this blue line represents when I sent out that post. Okay, so about, let's see, that was on October 31st. So this break with the candle body was on the 15th of November. Okay, so it's a couple weeks later, and we saw a beautiful move to the upside. Okay, now this was over 700, an over 700 pip move, okay? Not point, this is a pip, okay? Because we're looking at a daily chart. If you're familiar with shorter term charts like the minute or the 5-minute, 15-minute, hourly, things like that, this may not look like that large of a move to you. When you're looking at the daily, you're looking at a nice gain there, okay? Now, take profit 3 was not hit, but take profit 2 and a little above was, okay? If members used a trail stop, then you could have gained a very decent income just from that one move, okay? So, that is a little introduction to the pure price action, and that's just the result of one of our market commentaries. If you're interested in learning more, like I said, check out our free education and start to get a good grip on price action. It's very, very useful for traders. And a couple of my favorite setups are the double bottom, the triple bottom, and even a couple channel patterns I like as well. So I will talk to you guys later, and if you're a SlickTrade member, I will see you in the room.